guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Thank you so much for keeping it up here with Alice and me. Yeah, so for my new subscribers, you are so much welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video, and tell us what kind of vlogs do you enjoy watching on this channel, and also tell us where are you watching from. Yes, I cannot forget my existing subscribers, because where you guys mumenshikilia sana, and it's because of you that I am doing this content. Yes, so guys, this is a plug. Previously I've been having lots of headache, and let me tell you guys, they normally say when you get headache, you know, we need to go for a checkup. So I think a month ago I actually went for the eye test. I was having a lot of headaches, so when I went for a checkups, it turned out that they didn't find anything. So depending on how I explained to the doctor, they asked me to do an eye test, and then they checked my eyes, and only to find out is that they said I have dry eyes, and this this is mostly caused by, you know, being on computer for a long time, or being on a phone for a long time, you know, more like light. Yes, so my eyes were okay in terms of visual, like I'm not short or long-sighted, but they are just dry. Yes, so you know, for people who have issues with lights, especially computer, when especially when using a computer, most times we do get headache. Yes, so I have had enough of headaches until I have said enough is enough, and why not get myself glasses. Yeah, so I bought these computer glasses from Jumia. Yes, so it's an unboxing video. It's not a long video, it's just an unboxing video of these glasses. And the good thing about it is that they're not expensive, and they are computer glasses. They are blue, they're called blue light blocking, blue light blocking blue light blocking glasses, or light blocking glasses, or computer glasses, anyway. Yes, whichever you can call it. Yeah, so what I love about these glasses, first of all, if you are shopping with Jumia, the best way you can do shop is okay, before you shop, this is one of the tips I'm going to give you. Just always try to look at the reviews. Yes, try to okay, if you of course by the time you want to order something, you love it, you know what you want, but take a little more step and look at the review about the product. No more like the people who have purchased that item, what they say about it. Is it a good item? Does it have the highest number of reviews, positive reviews, or it has the highest number of negative reviews? So basing on the reviews, it will at least, you know, make you know at least what you're buying is like how it may work. That's what I can say. Yeah, so let's unbox with you this. I purchased this at only 265 bob. Yes, so let's just open. And also when we're opening, the other thing I can also talk about shopping with Jumia is that when you buy something and it's maybe a wrong item, or it's not what you ordered for, or it's defective, they do normally have what they call a 7 days return policy, whereby you can claim a return, and then this item will be taken back to the warehouse. It will be tested. So once the issue is confirmed as valid, a refund done, the money is sent back to your mobile money. Yes, so if the issue is not confirmed as valid, definitely they will return the item back to you. So just ensure that by the time you're creating a return, it is not something that you've damaged you as a person, because definitely they will know. It's because some of these items, they check them before they leave the warehouse. Yes, so this, you see, I love the packaging. You see, it's not something that is expensive, but they've really taken time to pack it well. Yeah, so this again, this, another this. Yeah, so the only thing I didn't, okay, I won't say I didn't like, it didn't come with it did not come with the cloth. Yeah, but I think that is okay. The fact that the item is that cheap, I wouldn't say I wouldn't take that as a big thing, because this was just a 265 bob. Imagine. Yes, so normally so that was the price. Yeah, so apparently there is a clearance sale. Just take advantage of that. Go check up if you're having an issue with your eyes, and you're sure know that it's not an it's just about the light. Please, I will advise you to get blocking glasses, blue light blocking glasses, because it's the only way you're going to minimize on the headaches. Because personally, I have been having headaches almost every day. I've been taking medicines every day. Yes, yeah, so that was it. Tell me, how do I look in these glasses? How do I look in these glasses? Yeah, so that was it for this video, and I see you in the next video.